Today I'm going to show you how to integrate Steam Advanced Sessions with the Party Game Kit in Unreal Engine 5. This way your character's nickname will match your Steam nickname and will set up the lobby creation and join systems using Steam. First of all, I need to say something important. If you've already made changes to your project, please back it up. It's crucial to keep a copy so you don't lose your progress if something goes wrong. Therefore, before starting anything, definitely copy your project somewhere safe. After that, delete everything in your project folder except for config, content, and the .upproject file. You can keep a logo file if you have one. So we want to begin with a clean project. Once you've finished backing up and removed everything except config, content, and the upproject file, let's download the Advanced Sessions plugin. I'll provide the necessary links in the description. I'm doing this for version 5.4.4, so I'll download 5.4.4. If you're using 5.5.3, you can download that version instead. The steps we'll follow are exactly the same. After downloading, open the folder and you'll see two folders named Advanced Sessions and Advanced Steam Sessions. Create a folder called Plugins in your game folder and place these two folders inside it. Now, there's just one more step left. Open the config folder and edit the default engine ini file. I'll include this link in the description. You need to add the settings there to your default engine ini. Remove any extra blank spaces, save the file, and then open your project. Once the project is open, let's confirm that the plugins are active. Yes, the plugins we added appear to be enabled. Next, open the Party Game Kit folder and go to the UI folder, then the menu folder. There you'll see a widget called WBP Create Tournament. Let's open it. Here we create sessions, but we'll replace this with the Advanced Session system. Find the Create Session node and delete it at Indeed.identiton, then add Create Advanced Session in its place and make the connections. If you want to customize the settings, you can, but I'm sticking to the default values. Now let's move on to Join Sessions. Open WBP server list, find the Find Sessions node. Delete it and replace it with Find Sessions Advanced, then connect everything. I'm setting max results to 50, but you can choose any number you like. Once we've completed all these connections, we can handle the part where we change the username to the Steam username. Open WBP user. Normally, whatever you write here becomes your username. Because we only want the Steam username displayed, without allowing changes, I'll do it this way. If you plan something else, you'll have to adjust accordingly. Delete the button and the editable text, then add a standard text. In the blueprint, we'll get errors where we deleted nodes, so remove those error nodes, but don't delete the logic entirely. We'll need some of it soon. After adjusting how the nick text looks, click on Bind to the right of the text field and select Create Binding. First, create a GetPlayerController node. From it, create a player state node, then drag out and create a GetPlayerName. Connect it to the return node. Now we'll use our Steam username. Finally, take that leftover blueprint section and move it near Event Construct. We forgot to set our nick text as a variable. check the box to make Nick into a variable, then from nickname do get text and hook it up to the open pin. Once you're sure all the connections are correct, we can test it. Before testing, make sure Steam is running or you won't be able to test. Also, you have to run the game in standalone mode. As you can see, Steam detects us, and my Steam username is automatically displayed above my player. Because we're using Space War, I can see other people's sessions, but I can't join them since they're for other games. When I start the game, everything works normally, and I can even open the Steam menu with Shift-Tab. Even if everything is working, there's one last step we need to take. We're going to make the project hybrid. In the top menu, go to Tools and click on New C++ class. Leave None selected, then click Next, and then click Create Class. When the warning message appears, click OK, and in the next pop-up message, click No. Make sure you have Visual Studio installed along with all the necessary libraries. After saving all your work, close the project and open the folder where your project is located. Now that you've created a C++ class, you'll see a file with the .sln extension there. Open it. Visual Studio will launch. And on the right side under Games, you'll see Party Game Kit. Right-click on it and select Build. Once it finishes, everything should be up and running. If there's anything you don't understand or you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us on our Discord server. I'll include all the relevant links in the video description. Take care.